At first, go to Google Chrome and then open JOSAA website. After opening the JOSA official website, you will be seeing online registration and choice filling option.
And our goal is not enough.
Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. First of all, I thank each and everyone for supporting me and making it happen. That is 1K family. We are 1K strong now. Thank you for each and everyone who subscribed channel and who didn't subscribe. I request every one of you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest video notifications. Coming to this video, in this video I am going to explain the procedure and the process of JOSA and CSAP counseling, how the rounds will be taken, what are all the options to be chosen, and add the options, and how to interchange, how to correct each and everything, how to arrange the options will be shown in this video. Without taking much time, let's get into the presentation. JOSA and CSAP counseling process. After class 12, many of you will give JEE Mains exam. After that, those who qualified will be allowed to give JEE Advanced. After completing of these two exams, you will be given results of those exams, and you will be allowed to participate in counseling. This counseling is for getting admission into NITs, IIITs, GFTIs and IITs. Those who qualified JEE Advanced will only given option to choose IITs in the counseling, and those who didn't qualify will not be allowed to choose IIT as an option. So the process will be like, in JOSA there will be 6 rounds of counseling. Every year there are 7 rounds, but this year they have reduced 1 round and they made 6 rounds for counseling. After 6 rounds of counseling, whatever seats which are left after the counseling will be given to the students in the CSAP counseling. So here you can see in IIITs only All India quota will be there, and no home state and other state. And in NITs only home state and other state, which is given in till 6 rounds. And in CSAP rounds, all together All India, home state, other state will be combined together, and seats will be given according to your CRL rank with category. Then in IITs only All India quota will be there, no home state and other state. Same total number of rounds, 6 JOSA plus CSAP rounds 2. CSAP round is a highly unpredictable, total gambling round. It totally purely based on the luck. That's it. In JOSA you can get seat in NIT, IIT, IIIT, GFTI. In CSAP round, IIT will be excluded. Only IIIT, NIT, GFTIs are given in CSAP rounds. Those who have given JEE Mains, and there will be a category wise cutoffs in the results. Qualifying cutoffs category wise this year. Qualifying cutoffs for JEE Advanced category wise, which are released during the result, where these things are mentioned in the scorecard itself. From here you can see category and cutoff. General CRL 90.376535 is a percentile cutoff, and for general EWS 70.24355118. OBC NCL 72.8887969. For SC category 50.1760245. For ST category 39.0696101. For PWD category 0.0618524. These are the cutoffs category wise released officially by NTA yesterday. If you cross that cutoff, you can participate in the JOSA or CSAP counseling. If you not cleared the cutoff, you cannot participate in the JOSA and CSAP counseling. In that, state of eligibility will be there. I said right, home state and other state. Home state is also called as state of eligibility. Like in which state you are given your class 12 exam is taken as your home state or state code of eligibility. Then counseling 1 to 6 rounds, All India, home state, other state, Goa state and AP quota will be there in 1 to 6 rounds. In CSAP rounds only All India quota will be there. Coming to seats, in every institute the seats will be divided into 2 parts. One will be gender neutral and one will be female only. In gender neutral, that seats will be given to both male and female, but female only category, in that only girls will be getting the seats. This year they have increased some more seats for girls quota also. And if you see that in this gender neutral and female only category also, there will be subcategories like general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST and PWD. Then here I mentioned the reservation in colleges. General EWS will be 10% of seats in that institute will be given to general EWS students. For OBC NCL students, 27% seats are given. 15% seats are given to SC category students, scheduled caste. 7.5% seats of the institute will be given to ST category students, scheduled tribe. And 5% of seats to the PWD category. And rest all will be given to the general category students in the open category. Then here I mentioned institute-wide total seats and female supernumerary seats. In IIT, total number of seats 11,279 and female supernumerary seats is 800. And in NITs, total number of seats is 17,967 and female supernumerary seats is 653. And in IIITs, total number of seats is 4,023. And in GFTS, total number of seats is 4,683 and female supernumerary seats are 20. And you may think that, as I already said, this year some more female category seats are increased. You may think that there will be decreasing in the seats of gender neutral. There will be no effect to the already available seats. Seats will be increased. And if you see here JOSA 2020 seat matrix, in category open plus EWS, total number of seats is 19,713. In GFTI is 2,898. In IIIT is 1991. NIT is 8,897. IIT is 5,927. Here you can see according to the category wise, and I will have mentioned the total number of seats and number of seats in GFTS, number of seats in IIITs, number of seats in NITs, and number of seats in IITs. So once you pause and you can check it here. When you enter counseling, you have to fill your choices. Choice filling will be based on your preference of branch. In my point of view, it is better that you fill the choices according to the first preference should be given to the branch, then preference to the campus, then use some college predictors and predict what are all the colleges and what are all the branches you are getting with your rank. And how to predict the colleges also I will show you in this video. How to use college predictors, see the video. And coming to the main important thing of many of you have this dilemma with how to predict a college according to your rank. Well, I will give you suggestions. You can go check through Shiksha, College Pravesh, JEE AB 360, which is an app. Career 360, it is a paid. You should pay some amount so that you can predict your colleges. And first, we'll see about the Shiksha, how to check the process. Coming to Shiksha College Predictor. It is also a best. I can suggest you. Just it asks you for sign up. Just sign up, no problem. Select BTech, then JEE Main. Next, enter your score. It will ask you rank or the JEE Mains percentile. I will say 1823. It is a category rank, female category, category ST, and domicile state. Give your state. Andhra Pradesh. Then predict results. You can see here, these are all the colleges, and with branches you will be getting like this. Like you can also see round 1 or round 2 or in which round you may get, that also will be shown here. Coming to College Pravesh, College Predictor. Here you can go, it is a totally user-friendly interface. Here you can give your category rank. Okay, let me take example as 1823 and the category is ST. PW status no. If you have, you can give yes, and also mention the state, like home state. Then press predict colleges. You will be taken to this interface where it gives you quota, other state or home state, and institute, the branches you may get, and the closing rank last year. Then coming to JEE AB 360, which is a Play Store app. Go to Play Store, install it and use it for free. There is no need of signing up. In this app you can predict the colleges of JEE Mains, paper 1, paper 2, advanced, COMEDK, Web JEE. All these exams college predictors will be there in this app. You can use it for free. For example, your rank is 22,000 in general category mains and 12,000 in JEE advanced. First, if your preference should be IIT BHU pharmaceuticals in the 4th place. In the 3rd place, IIT Bhagalpur CSE, and in the 2nd place, NIT Patna Mechanical, and in 1st place, NIT Durgapur CSE. That will be the preference order. It is just an example. As I already said, first you have to fill the form while applying for counseling. I will show that video at the end of this video, so please stay tuned how to fill the choices and how to fill the form. Each and everything will be shown at the end of this video, so please don't skip any step, because this is the major and important step of your life for the next 4 years, and for future also it depends on this counseling. So be careful while filling the choices, while filling the form. First you have to fill the form, then you will be allowed to fill the choices. After that you need to lock the choices, and all these locking the choices and the mock results will be also given you 2 times, so that you will be getting an idea of where you will be getting the seat in JOSA rounds. That also I will show you important dates of JOSA counseling. Coming to important dates, and JEE main result date is 11 September, JEE advanced online application 12th September, means today, and JEE advanced admit cards will be issued from 21 to 27 September, and exam will be on 27 September. JEE advanced results will be on 5th October. Commencement of JOSA counseling will be from 6th October. Admissions process for IITs will end on 9th November, and for NITs admission process will be ending on 13 November. JOSA counseling schedule. These are the schedule of events JOSA 2020 online reporting, and you can pause the video and check it once, where they mentioned each and every step before completion of total admission process, like round 1, round 2, what are all the things you need to do, like submission, verification, options, choice filling, everything will be done according to this process. And just take a screenshot of this schedule, so that you will be able to access it anytime from your gallery. And this is also the ending. At last you will find that November 9 to 13 NIT plus system admission process ends. After first round, if your seat is allotted, you will be getting 3 options, which is freeze, means accept the seat, and float and slide. Float and slide is used to participate in the next round. In the freeze, if you select the freeze after a seat is allocated, you need to physically attend. Last year it was physically attending in the nearest counseling center, and after every round you may choose 4 options. One will be freeze, allotted seat, accepted and interested to take the admission. Float, allocated seat but participate in the next round to get better choice. Slide, allocated seat, want to seat upgradation in the same campus. Like in the 4th place I mentioned NIT Warangal mechanical, I got that option, but in the 2nd place NIT Warangal EC is there. So in the 1st place NIT Trichy CSE is there. I want NIT Warangal but not mechanical. The better choice above this, means the better choice above this will be ECE. So if there is a chance in ECE, they will be allotting us a seat in ECE. That is meant by slide. And float means, as it is a 4th option, NIT Warangal mechanical, top 3 options means maybe NIT Trichy CSE or NIT Warangal ECE, or maybe NIT Surathkal CSE. In these 3 options you may get anything if you choose float option. In the first round, if you get NIT Warangal mechanical, if you freeze it, since admission is fixed for you in NIT Warangal mechanical, and no more participation in further rounds of JOSA or CSAB. And choice filling and locking. Now I will be showing you a video. Please stay tuned. At first, go to Google Chrome and then open JOSAA website, official website. Please check the official website. After opening the JOSA official website, you will be seeing online registration and choice filling option. And I request each and every one of you to watch this video till the end and follow each and every step while you are filling the choices. So because this is the main important steps in each and every JEE aspirants. So without taking much time, so let's click the online registration and choice filling, then see what are all the things you need to follow after clicking that option. After clicking the online registration and choice filling option, you will be seeing this interface. There you need to give your JEE Mains roll number, password, then the security pin given below, then press login. Afterwards you will be taken to this interface where you need to study each and every conditions, terms and conditions governing the admission process of JOSA, and then you need to click I agree. You will be shown this interface where you will be having your personal details, JEE advanced details, and ranks coming to CRL rank or OBC and CL, means category rank, everything regarding your ranks and everything, personal details will be shown in this interface. You have to declaration and submit. After clicking I submit, you will be seen here confirm registration. Just before that, I explained one slide in that I said form filling. This is the form filling process. After that, you will be taken to a interface where you can give your choices and fill your choices according to your preferences. Now click confirm registration. After confirming that, you will be taken to a interface where you will find the candidate's profile, choice available, choice filling and locking, update contact information. Now I choose choices available, means what are all the choices available for me for applying for JOSA counseling. If you qualify for JEE Advanced, you will be showing IITs. If you not qualified for JEE Advanced, you will not show IITs, only NITs, IIITs, GFTIs is shown in this interface. Means what are all the choices available will be shown in here. Then coming to choice filling and locking, when you click that, you will be seeing the interface where you will find home, choice filling, arrange choice field, means you can arrange according to your preferences. Here if you press add, that option will be added to the right side interface. Here you can see all types of institutes. If you click that, you can separate NITs, IITs, IIITs. In all institutes, if you click NITs, it will be showing the all National Institute of Technology. If you click all programs, if you select NIT Warangal, all programs offered by NIT Warangal will be shown in the all programs. Like this is totally interface where if you want only CSE, if you click CSE in the all programs, then on the left side available choices, all the institutes which is offering CSE will be shown in the left side available options. In all programs, now I am choosing mechatronics engineering. Let's see what will happen. The available choices is Indian Institute of Information Technology, Bhagalpur. This is the only institute which is offering mechatronics engineering. If you click add, the option will be added to the right side. This choice filling interface is totally a filtering interface. Now I choose computer science engineering in the all programs. I chose Indian Institute of Technology in all institutes, all type of institutes, where I got all the institutes which is offering computer science in the left side of the available choices. These are all the institutes, Indian Institute of Technology which is offering computer science and technology 4 years course. If you click add, the option is added to the right side interface. You can see I am clicking add now. After adding all the options, if you are interested to remove the option, you can remove. If you can arrange according to your preferences. I will show that also in this video. Every time you add new options, please click save and continue. In this way you can fill your choices. After filling each and every choice, please click save and continue. Every time you click save and continue, you will be pop up with that message. After that, now if you want to arrange these options according to your preferences or interchange options, please stay tuned to this video till the end so that you will get overall idea on how to fill your choices and how to arrange according to your preferences. So that is choice filling. Coming to arrange the fill choices, you can arrange the fill choices according to your preferences. Coming to choice interchange, you can interchange one option available to you with another option which is already chosen by you. And coming to choice rearrange, if you want a option at 9th place to take the place of second according to your preferences, you can use up button and bring that option upwards. After every minute change, please press save and then log out. I hope every one of you liked the presentation. If you find this as a time worthy video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel for edu updates and counseling. If you want any college review, please feel free to comment down in the comment section. I will try my level best to give the review of that college. And see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.